So, Happy New Year 2022, new video, and it was actually my birthday yesterday, so we've come away for a little trip. We're in some sort of mountains and we're at some sort of Hobbit Village with fairies and capybaras. And it was quite a challenge to drive up here. It's in the mountains, very thin road, crazy, only wide enough for one car in a lot of it. Got watery eyes for some reason. But here we go, I'll show you where we are. So there's our Singaporean friends. Two families.
Yeah, whether you want it or not, you are two.
And a capybara.
You can do alternate pick.
And Dougal the dog. Where are we, the wife?
The Hobbit Hills.
Hobbit Hills. But whereabouts is that in Taiwan?
Miaoli.
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 Okay. So apparently we can let Dougal in to say hello to them. So we're allowed in with the dog. Do you want me to hold him?
I'll hold him.
Alright, go on. They sniff their bum. Look how tame they are, amazing. Dog meets capybara. Hello. Kind of wiry. Yeah.
Oh, this guy. Oh, what something? You're taunting them.
Yes, you have. What does Dougal think of it? Yeah.
They're okay.
He's a bit worried about him, isn't he?
That's greedy, but he's okay.
Yeah, just let him eat it. Look, you must eat it.
Oh, she's really hungry. Dude, go get away. Yes.
So cute. So calm.
What do you think, little man?
They're rodents.
Yeah. He's got funny webbed feet. Look.
The paws are funny, huh?
Yeah.
They don't usually smell like that.
No. There's no poo anywhere, are there? Where do they poo?
They're like farm animals.
So as a dog owner, well used to picking up poo, so we're looking around, can't really see any poo anywhere. There's there, so the wife's asked.
So they poo in water to hide the scent.
Alright.
So they can hide away from predators.
Ah. What, so they do it in that little stream over there?
You know, like cats, they'll dig a hole and then cover their poo, and then they do that in water or near water, so it'll be washed away, so they will not leave any scent.
Amazing. So you look around and you think there'd be poo everywhere, but they don't. There's none. On to the next bit.
Fairies flower area. This is the Australian tea tree.
Oh yeah. Australian tea tree, mate. Ripper. We've got a duck down under there. Ding.
I only see one. Oh, there's two. There is many spiders.
Oh yeah, this is a spider.
Spider-Man! Oh, you want to see the huge spider?
That's that big.
Oh yeah, the one that
You don't like goats?
Your eyes are like the Ed Sheeran album.
Hello. You can't have a go at the dog. Mexican standoff.
Oh, Kirby!
Luckily, they don't know what he's saying, eh?
Yeah, you gotta speak Mandarin.
This
guy is crazy.
Yeah, this guy's
crazy.
He looks like Dougal when like he's has. He's like. Stop it!
That's a funny looking dog, isn't
I don't know. I
it,
just
Dougal?
hate them. They're disgusting. They look like a dog, but then their eyes are like. Why do they like parrots? Oh wait, I like. This guy doesn't have not much of it.
Hobbit Village. Can't go in them though. Don't look like. Pretty spectacular place. Strawberry picking.
This is dog friendly one.
Yeah.
Look around.
So no bending over. Rows and rows of strawberries in the mountains around Miaoli. So you pick it, you put it in a box, and you pay for whatever you picked. As fruit picking anywhere in the world, really. So we've arrived at our B&B, and this is the view. Again, up in the mountains. Hello. Ni hao. Hello. Hello, how are you doing? Hello. 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 You good? Yeah. Hey, puss. There you go. So here we are.
You lay off now.
There's a grumpy cat here.
The lady said when we go,
Yeah.
if we move the car, we need to beat first.
Move it.
So because the cat likes to sit under the
Oh,
car.
right.
Hello.
No, he's quite grumpy.
Hello.
Oh,
Hello, two of them.
yeah.
Hello.
Speciality coffee. So is that where they're going to be staying?
That's their camera bag.
Oh, wow. It's all really close then, isn't it?
Yeah, and our one is here. In
Okay.
this building.
So we're staying in here. Brilliant.
One, 2, 3, go!
Dog likes it, don't you? There's the Paulie. So this is our room, 2 beds, dinky, a little bathroom. So just a place to crash for the night with a balcony. Let's have a look. Wow, look at that view though. Nice. So our friends are staying in these caravans, which are all fully equipped, and we've got a camp going with some beers, hot pot, barbecue. Very good. All very good. Wave to the camera then, people.
Oh, it's not video.
Yeah, video. Yeah.
Early New Year.
Yeah. We get him. He's missed out. Oh, Lawrence has missed out.
Kevin also just ordered abroad. But I didn't make it. He ordered on Wednesday. Oh. So I said, Thursday is very hard.
And then we got the view in the background.
For the burgers. Yeah.
And this is
So
their
I didn't bring the
caravan.
What is, Mommy? Wait, Mommy. What is Alice and Betsy's underwear? I want to eat hot pot.
Hot pot cooking. Kev's on the Barbie. Hello.
Giving it a slow roast.
Nice one. Random cats turned up. The smell of burgers. Dog's not allowed in the caravans, but he's having the time of his life playing with a tennis ball. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.